Okay, round off 25,608 to the nearest thousand. They want thousands, please. Okay. So if you have this kind of question, what you need to do is, if you do not know, rewrite the number 25608 and then you label the I mute all again. Okay. Okay, then you label the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now we look at the thousands place. Okay, nearest thousand, right? So thousands place, which is number 5. Underline the place value that they mentioned. Underline. Then you draw arrow to the right. Point. The number that you point to the right, the one that you point to, if it's 5 or more than 5, the number you underline must plus 1. And then draw this line like that. Okay, why is that so? Anything to the left, this is right. Anything to the left, we rewrite. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. Anything to the right of the yellow line becomes 0, 0, 0. Because 1,000, there are 3 0. So the correct answer is 26,000. Good, Akil, correct. Next, number 2. Find the value of 24 plus 48 divided by 4 minus 2 times 16. What do? We use our rule or the order of operations. So bracket of order of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So there is an order. This is order, right? Between your division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So what do we see? The order is, if I see division, I do division first, followed by multiplication, and then plus and minus. But if minus and plus come side by side, if minus come first, then you do your subtraction first. Okay. So in this case, this one comes first, this one comes first, equals to 24 plus 48 divided by 4 is 12. Minus 2 times 16 is 32, like that. Then the order say addition, subtraction, right? Whatever comes first, the order says do first. So the order of 24 plus 12, and that will give you 36. Then minus 32 equals to 4. So the correct answer is 4. Okay. Okay, Maria has 110 lollipops to be packed in a gift box. Each means one gift box can hold a maximum of 6 lollipops. What is the smallest number of gift boxes she needs? Whenever you see the word maximum, whenever you see the smallest, means it's not exactly exact. There will be leftovers. There will be remainders. Okay, when you do your division, there will be. Because you know that each means I need to divide. So it's 110 divided by 6. Okay. So you will get 18 and then you're going to have a remainder 2. But is there any 18 remainder 2? No. Okay. In this case, if you look at this, I have the exact 18. I have 18 gift boxes. And then remainder 2 here means I have a balance of 2 lollipops left. So what happened to this lollipop? Do I leave it like that without a box? Cannot. I must put them into a box, right? So I need 1 more gift box. So equals to 19. Okay, not 2 but 19. Understand? Because the lollipop cannot be alone. It must be put inside a box. Okay, now write 5,087,004 in numerals. So million means you are going to have 5 million. I know 5 million is after that number you're given, you will have 6 zeros at the back, 6 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 4 is in the ones place, right? There. Okay. Then this one is done lah. 87,000. 87,000 means the thousands place. This is ones, tens, 100. The thousands place is here. So 7. 87,000. Like this. This is the number. Can you see how I do it? Okay. So this is not right. Answer is 5,087,004. 5 million. This is 5 million, not 50 or 500,000 anymore. Okay. What is the value of 27 times 500? Okay, so big numbers, right? Either you do your 500 times 27, this one, which is very lengthy, or you do shortcut. Means I break up this 500 to 5 and 100. Like this. So 27 on its own. So what do I do? 27 times 5 first. Okay. And then once you get your answer, you times it with 100. 27 times 5 is 135. 135 times 100 equals to 13500. So it's actually 13,500. Okay, so this is not right. This is 13,500. All right, next question. The price of the muffins was shown below. Noah had $100. He bought a total of 28 muffins. If Noah paid the offer price, how much change did he get? The offer is this, buy 6 muffins, I get 1 muffin for free. So I need to find out over here. He bought a total of 28 muffins. Okay, let's write down first. 6 M is muffin. Okay, I write down 6 muffins. I get 1 muffin free. This is a total of, if you look at it, 7 muffins, right? Okay, I get 7 muffins. Okay, so the 7 muffins is, if you look at this, 1 muffin is $3. There, they put there. Right? So 7 muffins, if you buy 7 muffins, you're only paying for 6 muffins because this one is free. This one is free. So if I get 7 muffins, I'm only paying for the 6 muffins, which is 6 times $3 equals to $18. And I get how many? 7 muffins. Okay. Now I bought 28 muffins. So 28 muffins divided by the group. How many group of muffins do I want to find? I want to find a group of 7 muffins because 6 plus 1, I get 7 muffins. Okay, divide by 7 muffins. This is to find how many groups of muffin I can get. I get 4 groups of muffin. Why 4 groups? 4 groups of what? 4 groups of 18. Okay, so I take my $100 minus away $18 times the 4 group equals to $28. This is not right. It's supposed to be 28. Grouping concept. Grouping. I find how many groups of muffin I can get. First things first, I find 1 group. This is 1 group. 1 group is 6 muffin plus 1 muffin, 7 muffin. 1 set I buy of 6, I get 7 actually. I buy 6 muffin, I get 7. That's 1 group. Considered 1 group. I bought 28 muffins. So how many groups are there? I divide. So once I divide, I know how many groups of $18 I purchased. Okay? Sue Ann has $56. She has 4 times as much money as Paul. 4 times means 4 unit. As much as, the next person is always 1 unit. You're comparing between that person you compare with is 1 unit. Understand? Okay, so how much money do they have all together? Draw your comparison unit model. So Sue Ann and Paul. Sue Ann is 4. Okay, so this is $56. How much money do they have all together? Like that, right? So I told you that Sue Ann have 4 units, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit is 56. 1 unit is 56 divided by 4 equals to 14. All together will be 4, and then this is 1. If you add together, they have 5 units. You don't believe me? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unit is 14 times 5 equals to $70. This is correct. Comparison units concept. Listen properly. Box A contained 12 marbles. Box B contained 25 blue marbles or blue marbles. And box C contained 50 blue marbles. Jack added an equal number of red marbles into each boxes. The number of marbles in box C then became the same as the total number of marbles in box A and box B. Wow, so lengthy. How many red marbles are added in the 3 boxes? Okay. We work backwards. This one we work backwards. We work from the back. The back means this one. The number of marbles in box C became the same as the total number of marbles in A and B. We're going to work with this one first. Okay, so if I want to draw my model, it will be C on its own and then A plus B together, right? Because total, the total number of A and B. So I will draw my model equal, right? The same as, so it's equal part model. This is how I draw. Okay, like that, right? But this is after the red marbles were added. What I want is how many red marbles were added. Okay, so if you look at this, if you look at the starting, let's go back to the starting. Box C contained 50 blue marbles. So let's say this is my 50 blue. Not this one, means this one is my red. This is my red. The rest of them are the blue. Okay, so if I put it down there, okay, then this is also my red, like that, right? And then if you look at the B, they have 25 blue marbles. So let's say my B is about here, 25 blue. This is my B, okay? Then this is my A. A have 12 blue. Right, these are all my red. Can you see that my red are all of equal size? Can you see? I'm trying my best to make them the equal size. Can you see or not? Because he put in an equal number of red marble in each boxes. That's what they did. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, if you can see properly, I am going to take away all the excess, which means the reds are all the excess. The reds are all the excess. This one, this one, this one are all my extra. Okay, I'm going to change color. So you see. So I'm going to cut all this. Okay. So 50 minus 25 minus 12 equals to 13. Right. This is my red. This is my red. One of the red. One of the red. Why is that so? This one. I'm actually finding this. I'm finding this when I take away, because this one is the same one. This and this I take away out already. But when I take away this one, I'm left with this portion. It's the extra part there. So which means this is one of the red. But I have how many red? I have 1, 2, 3 red parts, right? So 13 times 3 equals to 39. 39 is the answer. Okay.